Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we started and commenced with exercise number 2.7 related with chapter number 2 differentiation. In the question number 1 of exercise number 2.7 there were total 6 parts, out of which 3 part has already solved in the previous video. In the next 3 part number D we end up inshallah solve in this video. So let's move toward a question. It tells that use any suitable rule of differentiation to perform dy by dx for the following function. First is part number D is y is equal to ln multiply x square plus 1 power 1 over 2. So you know that we have formula for the log that log of m power n will always be equal to this power is comes to the front, it becomes n log of m. Using the same formula of the log, this 1 over 2 it is the power just like n. This will comes to the front of ln, so it becomes y is equal to 1 over 2 ln of x square plus 1. Now we differentiate both sides with respect to x, so it becomes dy by dx will be equal to 1 over 2. You know that ln of x derivative is always equal to 1 over x, but over here we have a function x square plus 1, so replace x with x square plus 1. So ln of x square plus 1 will be equal to 1 over x square plus 1. So over here it becomes 1 over x square plus 1. This is the derivative. Now also take the derivative of this inner function. So derivative of this inner function will be dy by dx of x square plus 1. So our required result will be dy by dx will be equal to, you know that derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. So over here we are left with 2x divided by 2 times of x square plus 1. 2 is cancelled out with 2, we are just left with x divided by x square plus 1. This is the required derivative. Now move toward part number E. It tells that y is equal to 1 divided by natural log of 1 plus x square. Find the derivative of this function. So move toward solution. It becomes y is equal to, here the power of this whole term is 1. So by moving to the numerator, the power will become ln of 1 plus x square. The whole power will raise to the power negative 1. Now after this we are going to find the derivative. So for derivative we will take d by dx on the both sides. So dy by dx will be equal to, now here we will use the generalized power rule. The power will comes to the front and we will subtract 1 in the power. So it becomes minus 2. According to the generalized power rule of differentiation, that d by dx of x power n will be equal to nx n minus 1, using this formula over here. Now also take the derivative of this inner function. So d by dx of ln of 1 plus x square. So it becomes a minus time of 1 divided by, here the power is negative 2, so by moving to the denominator the power will become positive. So it becomes ln of 1 plus x square whole raised to the power 2. After this, derivative of ln of 1 plus x square will be, you know that derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, but the function over here is 1 plus x square, so just replace x with 1 plus x square. So the derivative will be 1 over x. X is 1 plus x square. Now derivative of this inner function is 2x. So the whole result will be 2x divided by 1 plus x square multiply ln of 1 plus x square and whole square. So this is the required derivative. Now move to the last part number F. It tells that y is equal to cube root of ln of 1 minus x square. Find the derivative of this function. We can write the function just like this. Y is equal to ln of 1 minus x square whole bracket. This is cube root, so cube root can be written as 1 over 3 power. So ln of 1 minus x square and the power is 1 over 3. Now using the derivative, so dy by dx will be equal to, the power will comes to the front according to generalized power rule, and we will subtract 1 in the power. So 1 becomes 1 over 3 minus 1. Also take the derivative of this inner function, d by dx of ln of 1 minus x square. So it becomes 1 over 3 ln of 1 minus x square whole raised to power. 1 over 3 minus 1 gives us minus 2 divided by 3, and derivative of this function will be, derivative of ln of x was 1 over x, so ln of 1 minus x square will be 1 over 1 minus x square, and derivative of this inner function, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of negative x square is minus 2x. Now by simplification it becomes 1 over 3, and the denominator we have 1 minus x square, and also this ln of 1 minus x square whole raised to power minus 2 by 3 will comes to the denominator, so the power will becomes positive. So it becomes ln of 1 minus x square whole raised to power 2 divided by 3. After this 1 over 3, 1 minus x square, the power comes to the, this term comes to the denominator, the power becomes plus, and here we have minus 2x in the numerator, so it becomes minus 2x. After this it becomes minus 2x divided by 3 into 1 minus x square. This can be written as cube root of ln of 1 minus x square and whole raised to power 2. So this is the required derivative. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about second year mathematics. Thank you.